The new Acero range from Ansell lighting includes both wall and spike lights, designed especially for residential settings. The complete Acero range is designed using a marine grain stainless steel, and both the spike and wall lights are available in 3 colour options that are stainless steel, black and also copper. Both the spike and wall lights use GU10 lamps, with the added option to use a smart enabled lamp to give increased flexibility when using the fitting. The OCTO GU10 smart lamp is available in both RGB TW and tunable white. You need the versatility to set the colour temperature to suit your mood, as well as creating scenes, setting timers, and also the feature to enable holiday mode when you're away from the home. The Acero wall light is available as a directional and bi-directional fitting, with the option of a PIR sensor on both, which can be used as an energy saving or security feature. The spike lights are supplied pre-wired with 2 meters of rubber insulated cable for an easy and fast installation.